Hi everyone, welcome. Well, we're at my mother-in-law's today and I'm going to show you how to change a toilet. So let's get to it. First thing you want to do is turn the water off. Give it a flush. Final flush. What I like to do is use a shop vac to suck the water out. You can use a sponge too if you want. Again, when you undo the water line here, just use a sponge or a little bucket or the vac. Usually there's a cap. You take that cap off with your flathead screwdriver. Okay, now this goes for changing a wax seal on a toilet too. So after you get those undone, then you just want to get a plastic bag laid out, lift, straight up and over on plastic. Now you want to clean all this old wax off of here. Just use a piece of wood or whatever you handy to get it off, something disposable. Bolts. They just slide along, pop out at the end where it gets larger. Get all that, most of the wax off of there. Looks like this was a can't leak with a sleeve, so that's going to pop out of there too. Didn't notice that because there was so much wax. Clean all that gross stuff out of there. Okay, and if you're changing your wax seal on your toilet only, you're not putting a new toilet in, before you put the old toilet back in, you want to flip it on its side and you want to clean off all the wax that's built up around here. This is just a little bit on the surface, but it doesn't have to be perfectly clean. You just want to get any big chunks of wax off of here, okay, before you put the toilet back in. Okay, and we just want to take our new wax seal, take your new bolts, slide them in on the end to the center. And then it comes with these two metal threaded pieces that go on to hold them in place. You don't have to use these, but they do help hold these in the center. Those go right down, tighten up to the flange. Just like that. And your new seal. Again, this is called a can't leak with the plastic piece in here that inserts into the flange. Make sure that's all even. And that would be what you do to change the wax seal on the toilet. And then you would just simply put the old toilet back on and put the old bolts and washers and nuts back on there and do it back up. Put the caps on and you're good to go. But now we're going to put the new toilet in. Lift the new toilet onto there, the bowl, centered with the bolts, and then just push it down. So this just comes with these plastic nuts. Same on the other side. And your new tank. Push the bolts through. Spud gasket. Put that on there. Take it, line up the holes, get each side started. Make sure it's equal distance off the wall at the back of the tank, and just snug these up evenly on each side. You just don't want to have any play in the tank. See, it's got a little more. Make sure this gap is even along here. Just snug them up. You don't want to go too tight on them. A little bit more. Okay, good. Your bolt caps, just go right here. Same on the other side. We do this up first. Not too tight, just snug it up. On the other end, curl that down. Just do this up hand tight. We'll leave a piece of towel there for a little while, make sure this isn't going to drip. Yeah, we want to adjust our water level down a little more here, so I'm just going to go counterclockwise. Give it a flush. That's good there, about an inch below. Give it a full flush. Check for leaks all around here. Get these nuts off. Phillips. The cone part faces upwards. Make sure you're square at the front here with the seat. Okay. Nice and snug on the seat. Slow close seat. Kind of a nice feature. Okay, lid on. One more check around. Doesn't look like we have any leaks here. One more check up under here for any water. Check around the floor. No water. There we go. That's how you change the wax seal or change the toilet out. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching.